Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a BMW X1 headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent burns. Always refer to your owner's manual to confirm the exact bulb type needed for your specific model, ensuring a perfect fit and proper function. Now, open the hood of your BMW X1 and locate the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a few plastic covers or clips to gain clear access to the back of the headlight unit. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing the release tab and pulling it straight off. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wiring or the connector itself. With the connector off, unclip or twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it from its housing. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, ensuring it's seated correctly, and then secure it by clipping or twisting it clockwise until it's firm. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Replace any covers or clips you removed earlier, making sure everything is properly fastened. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Check both low and high beams to ensure full functionality.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.